Welcome to video tutorial of mechanisms by mekanizmalar. Whether 3D printing or flash animation, you may need a capability to draw gears. There are some tools which let you draw gears, but they are time-consuming. Also, actual gears are overkill for animation purpose. I actually use circular profile gears for my animations. The program given in SketchUp link shown in here creates data points for a Ruby program, which may be used in SketchUp to create gears for 3D printing purpose. The program given in Flash link shown here creates data points, which are used for flash animation purpose. Let's go through steps to create a SketchUp circular gear profile. Let us assume that our gear has 20 teeth with 10 mm width. We enter these values to corresponding fields and press Submit button. Once the program completed, you should copy the Ruby program created and paste it into a text file and save it. Please look at the web page given in SketchUp link for more detailed info for how to paste the data. Once this step is completed, save the file as test01.rb or any name you chose. Then start your SketchUp program and open Ruby console under Window tab. Once the Ruby console is opened, load the Ruby program as explained in the website. This will generate your gear profile. By using push-pull tool you can give a thickness to the gear. There are tools for SketchUp which allow you generate DXF files for 3D printing. Thank you for watching our videos.